Hey guys, Tony here. In this video, I want to show you how I use the Clarity website to drive paid calls instead of giving away all the free information, right? I will produce a ton of free content. I'm never afraid to share free information, but if something requires my actual time, it has to be paid. I just don't have the time on the schedule anymore to do it. It's totally affordable. So if you don't know Clarity, it's clarity.fm. I'm not an affiliate or associate or anything with the website. I have no connection other than I use and love the platform. They charge a 15% surcharge. So if you sell a call and you sell your time by the minute, which is what they do, you set your pricing. Once the call is done and the client pays, then you get paid whatever your charge is minus the 15%. So the idea is there's no monthly fee, there's no maintenance or upkeep costs. It's simply a platform. They are not going to drive traffic to you, but I would use them to handle the scheduling, the booking, and the payment processing. I think it's totally reasonable service. So let me show you in this what it looks like when somebody wants to book a call. Hang on, let me get on the screen. This is the About Me page from my Medicare billing course. At the bottom it says, have a question, book a telephone call with me on Clarity. Somebody clicks request a call. You see my rate, that's $100 an hour, $1.67 a minute. Reason for the call, I have a question. Cell number, I'm gonna try a fake number here. 941-111-999-2222. The minimum request is 15 minutes. How payment works. So you'll be charged $25 for the current scheduled call. If the call goes over the scheduled time, you'll be charged the balance at a rate of $1.67 a minute. If the call goes less than the scheduled time, you'll be refunded the balance. Okay, got it. Person says save. You can select time zones. So like I'm Eastern, you can select times. This is the client selecting possible times. And it's pretty cool. Like I don't have an integrated scheduler. So this lets me do all of that. Then if they don't have a Clarity account, they can create one. First name, last name, email, and password. Really simple. And then from there, they do the talk, they make the payment, they review you as the person they're talking to, right? I mean, it's just so simple. I don't know why more of us aren't using it other than you don't know it exists. I have never found another platform that actually will do all of this and charge by the minute. You know, my biggest concern is I can use another scheduler and I can book a 15-minute appointment for 25 bucks, but I always inevitably go over the time limit. So if I'm bleeding, so let's see, 15 minutes, a minute, what are we looking at? Like 2-3 minutes, you've already lost or made up, depending on how you look at it, the 15% surcharge. Plus, I'm not paying monthly fees. I'm not paying for a scheduler and the other stuff. I know with Calendly, when I used to use that, I'd have to pay the PayPal or the Stripe fee. Then I would have to pay Calendly $15 a month. And I don't book that many calls to make it worth it. So guys, get with this integration. I just think it is phenomenally effective, super simple. Let me know if you use it, if it works, how it works for you. Because every day on Facebook, I see well-intentioned individuals bleeding time and money out of professionals who really just shouldn't be doing it. You know, so guys, I hope this was helpful. If it is, let me know in the YouTube comments. I'll catch you on the next video.